On February 27, 2011, tragedy struck Todd Lampley, a 31-year-old residing in his Massachusetts home. Nestled in a yellow duplex at 42 Frischholz Road, Hyannis, Lampley met his end through a fatal shot fired through his bedroom window. Responding officers arrived to find him already departed. Hailing from Mississippi, Lampley left behind 2 daughters, his passing marking the first homicide of the year in Cape Cod and the second shooting incident in Hyannis. Amidst the investigation, authorities unearthed 3 crucial pieces of evidence: 3 spent shell casings, a black cell phone, and a peculiar find, a sweet potato with a hole through its center. Prosecutors from the Cape and Islands District Attorney's Office speculated that the sweet potato might have served as an improvised silencer. However, the phone yielded no immediate forensic leads, save for its registration under the moniker of Marlo Stanfield, a name familiar to aficionados of the acclaimed HBO TV series The Wire. It took over a decade for detectives to catch on to the reference, but once they did, the mutilated sweet potato found at the crime scene took center stage in their investigation. Following the airing of an episode of The Wire, where a character employs a sweet potato as a makeshift silencer, fans began to question whether such a method could be effective in reality. Some enthusiasts even recorded their attempts at using sweet potatoes as silencers and shared the videos online. Given the potential significance of the sweet potato found at Todd Lampley's crime scene, it underwent closer scrutiny and DNA testing. The DNA analysis eventually led to a positive match for an individual named variously as Hampton, a 40-year-old resident of Mashpee. 12 years after Todd Lampley's tragic demise on February 27, 2023, Hampton was apprehended and charged with murder alongside assault and battery with a deadly weapon. The reason for the lengthy delay in his arrest remained undisclosed. During the court proceedings, Hampton entered a plea of not guilty and was remanded into custody without bail. Assistant D. Jessica Alumba presented further evidence linking Hampton to the crime scene. Police investigations revealed Hampton's movements on the night in question, as he was wearing a GPS monitor due to his involvement in another crime. The GPS tracking data confirmed Hampton's presence at Lampley's residence during the fatal incident. Additionally, it indicated his subsequent visit to the same lake where the firearm used in the crime had been disposed of. Concerned citizens later retrieved the weapon from the lake and handed it over to the authorities, bolstering the case against Hampton. Upon examining the gun recovered from the lake, law enforcement confirmed its identity as the same firearm used in Todd Lampley's murder, as it still contained matching bullets. Despite the known association between Hampton and Lampley, authorities struggled to discern Hampton's motive for the murder. However, a crucial piece of the puzzle emerged from Hampton's past. In 2010, Hampton had testified against Todd Lampley in court, alleging Lampley's culpability in the fatal shooting of an 18-year-old named Jacques Sellers back in 2007. Sellers met his demise when a stray bullet pierced the window of his own home, similar to Lampley's fate. Notably, Lampley resided in close proximity to Sellers. Hampton informed jurors of Lampley's supposed confession to the shooting shortly after it occurred. Following the trial, one suspect, Anthony Russ, was acquitted, while the other, Julian Green, faced charges of second-degree murder. Importantly, during Green's trial, Lampley vehemently denied any involvement in Sellers' murder. This complex web of connections between Lampley, Sellers, Hampton, and the legal proceedings surrounding Sellers' death added layers of intrigue to the investigation into Lampley's own tragic demise.